Product Festival of all, 15th annual. So things do change as you go, you know that, right guys? And it's always challenges and always ups and downs, and we have seen some great products, right? Hey, as you guys chefs know, I sell knives, right? That's one of my things. I have a knife line. This is one of my knives. Do me a favor, here's what I'm going to do. Why don't you all grab your knives and meet me in the middle. Grab all your stuff, all your knives, all your equipment, all your personal equipment. We're going to talk about knives. Come on, we're showing everybody about knives. You got all your personal stuff? That's all you need. You got to grab it. Okay. Come on over, guys. So these are some beautiful knives. They're not as good as all mine. I mean, this is mine right here. You know? This one's nice. So why don't you pick up your knives? Hold on. You guys pick your knives up. You guys pick your knives up. And I want you three to stand over here for 1 second. And I want you guys to put your knives up. And I want you guys to stand over here for a second. Okay. Now the menus in front of you are now your menu.